In this video, we will introduce you to DID AI Video Studio, your AI-powered partner for effortless, high-impact content creation. If making videos feels slow, costly, and limited by language, you're not alone. Let's flip those challenges into opportunities. This studio uses advanced AI to turn scripts into lifelike visuals, voices, and interactions without complicated gear or long timelines. Create lifelike AI avatar videos with customizable styles and behaviors, perfect for tutorials, product demos, and personal branding. Translate your videos into multiple languages with natural delivery, expanding reach across markets without reshoots. Train AI-driven conversational agents that answer questions, qualify leads, and support customers. Available 24/7 within your content. Clone voices securely to keep consistent brand tone across campaigns while protecting identity and ensuring high audio quality. Integrate via API to automate production, connect tools, and drive scalable workflows from script to publish. Enjoy a smooth, guided workflow. Write, generate, edit, and export with intuitive controls and real-time previews. Ideal for content creators, digital marketers, video producers, business teams, and tech enthusiasts looking to grow faster. Ready to create smarter with AI? Click the link and subscribe to AI Creators. Tap the subscribe button and ring the bell icon.